Well, it's obviously a big opportunity, but it's also a big challenge. That's the reason why they continue to be unbanked. But first, you need to look at the fact that banks have not been able to penetrate them because the models of banks has always been using branches. And we have 7,100 islands, so it's impossible to have a branch in every place that these people are. Second one is the model normally depends on deposit balances. These people do not leave deposit balances. So they've been more or less left out. On the payment side, they're largely using cash. On the credit side, there's a lot of microfinance, community-based lending, small town lenders, but at very, very high rates. So those are the challenges. And we believe that the solution has got to be digital. Because if we're able to provide a payment mechanism that does not rely on branch infrastructure, then we can do it in a low and a cost-efficient, cost-efficient manner. And secondly, it's also related to the first. If we're able to lower the cost of engaging these customers, then we can provide them with credit at a lower interest rates. Because right now, the interest rates provided by the informal lenders are high because their collection costs are also very high. If you move the cash payments or cash collections into the digital space, then you can lower the total cost. If you lower the total cost, you can also afford to lower the interest rate. That's the big opportunity and a challenge. Well, I think it's related to our digital transformation strategy. We have a unique approach in that while we are adopting a pure digital approach for the unbanked, we're also cognizant of the fact that existing customers may not all be that ready for a totally digital world. And the first thing we did was we had a strategy which is really a fusion of digital and analog. So we're converting our existing model into a highly digital proposition, but with a lot of human touch. So for example, we've always been strong in cash management, linking the supply chain. We digitize that whole process. So we're able to get the customers of big corporations, meaning the SMEs, on a wholesale basis. Then we use big data to be able to provide pre-approved credit to all of the small SMEs. So we're able to essentially get them wholesale. We're also equipping our sales force with digital tools that allows them to increase their productivity. We believe that during the short period, there is an opportunity to penetrate the market with digital in a big way if you supplement it with the old-fashioned sales force. So what we've done is we doubled our retail sales force, but at the same time provide them with digital tools and with data analytics. So the second piece of it is going after the unbanked. And here we're adopting a very digital approach. A few months ago, we reintroduced our Eon Cyber account and relaunched with a new product under that, which is available, which is a prepaid card that's available in 7-Elevens. So you can go to any 7-Eleven, pick up the card, and you can also load the card in the same 7-Eleven outlet. So that gives us presence in nearly all of the islands simultaneously. We also introduced what was, I think, the first facial recognition mobile banking application related to that particular account, and we're calling it selfie banking. So instead of just your password, your face would be your password. So that's been a tremendous boost to both our credibility and making sure that our product is available to everyone. And once we have that, we are going to extend credit to these individuals. Already, today we have about 2 million customers that have their payroll with us or their pension payments. We're using big data to be able to provide pre-approved credit. So we even push the offers to them, pre-approved, and in 5 minutes they can apply for a loan and their accounts get credited. Why do I say 5 minutes? Because it takes about 5 minutes to, if you type faster, say 3 minutes, you can get it in 3 minutes. And so compare that with what's going on in the market today, where it takes maybe a week to get a simple loan. This one, 3 minutes if you type fast. So I think all of that resulted in us winning this retail bank award.